In this video, I will show you how to add a PayPal donate button to your Wix website quickly and easily. The first thing that we need to do is open up Elfsight. This is the tool that we will be using to build the widget, and I've linked it in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight over to this page. This link also ensures that everything connects properly when we embed it. From here, just enter your email into this box to sign up for free, and then on this next page, create your password. Just like that, we are. Now, once you are signed up to Elfsight, you should be taken over to this screen. So from here, what we want to do is just go up to search widgets in this top corner. And the badge that we are looking for, or the widget, I should say, is the PayPal button. So we can type PayPal in right here and we can see the PayPal button is going to appear. So we can click into this and it's now going to ask us to choose a template. Now, as we are creating a donation button, we of course want to go for the donation template right here, and then we can click continue with this template. In here, the very first thing that we want to do is add the PayPal email that you would like your donations to come into. So we can go ahead and we can type that out right here. And then once that is added under the payment type, we will of course keep this on donation. Localization, we can set this to the country that we are in. We can choose the currency that we would like to receive donations in. And then under the donation type, we can choose between if this is optional, and this will allow people to type in how much they would like to donate. Or alternatively, we can flick this over to fixed and we can choose the amount that we would like people to donate. So we can say we are wanting a $50 donation. Usually we are going to leave this on optional though. Right at the bottom here, we can choose if we want to redirect people over to a different page after they have made a successful donation. So this can be a thank you page or something like this. So you can go ahead and link that right there. Next, we can go to the button, and in here we can start customizing this. So we can change the text above the button. So we might just change this to say, buy me a coffee, just like this. We can change what the button itself is going to say right here. We can change the button elements. So what elements we want to have on this button and what we want to show. And then finally, we can also go under here and we can add payment system icons if you want to show these credit card icons. Once this is all added, we can then go down to the style, and in here we can change the colors and the size and things like this. The only one I wouldn't recommend playing around with is the button width. Just leave this as it is. But then we can go in here and we can adjust the button size, the button shape. We can even add a border to this and adjust how big the border is. Of course, we can go down and adjust the button color. So as an example, let's set this to blue. We'll set the text color to white. And then the PayPal logo color, as this clashes a little bit, we can also go in and set this to white. So we now have this all set up. So once you have this customized and we now want to add this to Wix, all we have to do is click on publish up here. And then Elfsight is going to take us through to this page and it's going to ask us to choose a plan. Now, the plan that I recommend getting started with is this free plan, as this allows us to add the donation button to our website for free to test this out to see if you like this. And then with these paid plans, if you want access to more widgets or if you want more website views, you can upgrade to one of these later on if you would like to. But for now, we just want to select the free plan. And once that is selected, we are going to be given this piece of code that we can use to add this to our website. So we just copy code right here, and then we can go over to our Wix editor. And then in here, we just go to add elements. And the element that we want to add is under embed code. So we select embed code, and this is the one that we want, embed HTML. So we add this to the site right here. And then once this is dropped in, we can click into the box where it says add your code, paste in the code that we just copied, and click on update. And just like that, the PayPal button is now going to be added in. So we can drag this to where we would like to have this on the website. And just like that, that is how we can add our PayPal donate button to Wix.